Hey guys, Tony's One with Survival Tactics, back out at the forge today. Today I'm going to make a couple angle hooks for the wall. I got some lanterns I bought. Alright, so as you can see, I already started the process. It's a 7-inch piece of 3/8 inch square stock. So I marked it 3 inches. This is going to go against the wall. Alright, this 4 inches. I'm going to draw out on the end, make a hook, twist through here. Alright, and that'll hang the lantern. Also, I'm going to do some indentions down here with a ball peen hammer, drill some holes in it and mount it to the wall. Depending on how much room I got, I might flatten this out, put some sort of design on it. Right? What I am going to try here, and I'm not very good at, is I'm going to take this rounded 90-degree and attempt to turn it into a straight 90-degree square. Alright, so I'm going to be doing some upsetting here. I'm doing 3 of these. I'm only going to video 1. Also, this camera is being a pain in the butt, and it's just for some reason corrupting some of the videos I'm taking, and I don't really know why. So after this video is done, if there's some parts missing, it's because of this camera. Alright, so let's get started on this. Alright guys, first thing we gotta do, try to upset these ends here, or upset the corner. So we cooled off the metal on the ends here. Now we're trying to put some metal back here. Not that easy of a process. Alright, now I'm on the other side here. Just trying to upset that metal. Obviously we're getting out of our 90, that's okay. Straighten this out some. Not a big deal. I'm not doing hard taps. Now we're going to clinch it again. Right here. Spin it around. It's already starting to turn to somewhat of a 90. Alright, if you see right now, I've got a red hot piece of metal on my anvil. I'm just actually using that to kind of warm my anvil up a little bit. It's been super cold here. A couple nights ago was 44 below zero. So today's not too bad, I think it's about 10. But I'm just trying to warm this anvil up a little bit, where when I come and do work my metal on the face, I don't lose all my heat. You know, I hold the heat a little bit longer because the 10-degree anvil's not sucking out all the heat of the metal I'm working. So that's what the purpose of this is. Alright, had to use this anvil out here because it doesn't have 90-degree, a nice sharp 90 edge. My other anvil. Alright, that's still not very good, but that's why I'm practicing. Alright guys, this is the third one I did. I'm still not too happy about it. You can see, even though I upset the metal here on this 90-degree, it's still thinner right here in the corner. And so, obviously, as a technique I'm not very good at. This is the third one. But that's why we do this. Just keep trying. All right. So now I'm going to draw this end out. I got an inch marker on here on all three of them. I'm going to use 1 inch. Going to draw it out. I'll measure the first one when I get it drawn out to where I want. Mark a line on my anvil. Do the other two that same length. All right. I'll do a curl on it, a hook to hold the lantern, and then we'll twist all of this right here, because anything square we twist it. And then we'll go to the putting the dimples in the back side to mount the screws. Right here, my punch marks right here. It's gonna mark. Heck, I don't even hardly have to mark. It goes right to this corner. All right, so that's the rest of them, the length I want the rest of them to be. So I'll just stretch them out. I'll draw them out to there, and at least they'll be that length. The taper will be that length. Guys, there's our hook, what we'll be hanging the lanterns on. Now we'll be twisting this. Alright guys, I just did a 720 twist. Alright, now time to work on the divots down here. Alright guys, take this piece, put it in our hold down, so you can only have one hand. This is a softened Vulcan hammer. You don't want to do this with a hard, you want to make sure you soften it. So now I gotta do another one of these right about here. Alright guys, this is the part that my camera just does not like. So we'll see if the third time's a charm. The other times I tried doing this, it messed up on it too, so I don't really know what's going on. But anyway, now I'm just cleaning it. Got my dimples made. Flatten that there. Bend that a little bit more. Anyway, what I'm doing is just trying to get all the scale off as it forms. I can see a little bend in here. I'm going to use a wooden mallet. It doesn't mess up my spiral. Alright, so I'm just trying to get the scale off here. Feel good enough here. Just dump it in the old beeswax. It's going to stay smoke. Thing about having a messy bench here. Pull this thing out. Make sure we got plenty of wax on the bottom there. Wipe her down. Still really hot. Spot right here. And voila, a wall hook. All right, here's the finished product. All right, just a little wall hook here. Like I said, I'm going to hook some lanterns on here. I did 3 of them. They're not all the same. A little bit length difference on some. But, you know what? That's what it is. Alright, so I thought I'd show you guys how I made these. If there's some parts of the process missing, it's more than likely because the camera messed up. Remember, like I always say, this is not a how-to video. This is just how I do video. All right, so I made these. I mean, there's obviously some, some things that didn't work out right. My 90 degrees didn't really work out right. All right, but that's what we do. We just keep practicing and learning. Might even have some stress cracks in there, but it'll hold up for what I need. Alright guys, this is Tony with Wyoming Survival and Tactics. Remember, train hard today for uncertain tomorrow.